Hello, everybody. My name is Simran, and I'm the country director of Canada Invest in Overseas. So, today I'm having a person all the way from Gujarat, Mrs. Rosmina Banu. So, Rosmina, welcome on the virtual session of Invest in Overseas.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, Rosmina has got recently Canada student visa through Western Overseas, and now I'm gonna ask the profile of Rosmina, that what she have done, what is her experience, her IELTS band scores and all, and where she has applied through Western Overseas. So, Rosmina, my first question to you is, what is your academic profile?
Ma'am, I have completed the bachelor's in nursing, and after that, I will have experience to work in intensive care unit. And after then, I joined one of the institute where I work as a virtual nurse.
Okay, all right. So, ma'am, you have done your bachelor's in nursing in which year?
In 2018, November 2018.
November 2018. And right after that, you are having the experience.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And how much percentage you are having in your bachelor's degree?
I have 71% in my bachelor's degree.
Okay. So Rosmina Banu has done her bachelor's degree in nursing in 2018 back with 70% approximately. And after that, she is having the experience in her relevant field. And you have applied for Canada student visa for the first time through Western Overseas?
Yes, I have applied for the first time, but I got 2 refusal earlier and from other institute.
Okay, so you already have 2 rejections from Canada High Commission before you have approached Western Overseas.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and what was the reasons behind your refusals?
Maybe the wrong choice of course.
Okay, and in which programs you have applied for?
The first program I have applied for early childhood education, and another one is the personal support development, like PSW.
Okay, so you are having the rejections from that. And the team of Western Overseas guided you for which particular program when you have approached Western Overseas?
They have suggested me to take one of the PG program that because the first question that Canada will ask, like after done your degree and why you are again going in diploma. So that's why they guide me to take PG diploma, and the program like health management related, health administration, and
Okay,
and I
alright.
at the end I have took admission in the Lipton College, advanced healthcare leadership.
All right. So viewers, Rosmina Banu had applied her application firstly in the undergrad program. She has already done her bachelor's degree and she applied in the undergrad program where she had got the rejections from High Commission. And after that, the team of Western Overseas guided her to take a progressive study, that is the graduate certificate. She has done her bachelor's in nursing, and right after that, she's having the experience. So she applied through Western Overseas in Lambton College. The program name is Advanced Healthcare Leadership Management, right, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right. So now, ma'am, what is your sole purpose to visit to Canada?
My sole purpose is to like my half of the family is there, so I just wanted to study there.
All right. And ma'am, what kind of assistance you get from the team of Western Overseas?
Like all the process I have done through the Western Overseas, including my visa application and preparing my SOP. And also they have applied for my application, like student application to the college. And I was fortunate at that time that I got application from the college without any application fee.
All right. So, Rosmina Banu, we wish you a very best of luck for your further future prospects.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you very much.
And congratulations for your study visa approval.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much to guide me throughout my process, and also the Nisu ma'am and Parvinder sir has helped me a lot. And whenever I call them to ask very little doubt also, that sometimes like what kind of pen I have to use in my application form, like when I have to sign anything, is it blue or black? So this kind of thing, they also assist them. So this is really a thanks to Western Overseas.
So you have done your overall process online through Western Overseas.
Yes, ma'am, I have, because I am from Gujarat and I am not able to travel to Punjab just for an application. So all the process are done through that. I have sent my all the soft copies of my documents, and they confirmed before and to communicate with me through email and mobile phone and also WhatsApp if they need any other information.
All right, ma'am. So, on the behalf of my Western Overseas team, I wish you very good luck for your further future prospects.
Thank you very much, ma'am, and thank you for again Western Overseas. And I hope that you will again help my husband for the spouse dependent visa.
Right, ma'am. We will. So, viewers, as Rosmina Banu told her story, that she belonged to Gujarat, she never visited in her single branch, and she is having overall process done through the online platform only. So if you want to study abroad in any country, please do visit Western Overseas, or you can also approach our virtual office, that is www.western-overseas/virtual. So thank you so much for your time, and thank you so much, Rosmina Banu.
Thank you, ma'am.
वेस्टर्न ओवरसीज, सपने आपके, जिम्मेदारी हमारी।